Hi, my lovelies.
I know you care for me, there for me, said you'll be there for me, cry for me, cry. You said you down for me, give to me, give. Why won't you live for me, care for me, care for me? I know you care for me, there for me, said you'll be there for me, cry for me, cry. You said you down for me, give to me, give. Why won't you live for me, care for me, care for me? I know you care for me, there for me, said you'll be there for me.
I know it's been a while, but I'm working on the consistency on YouTube. I'm working on it. But today I'm going to Ochi just to run some errands and to do a little maintenance. I'm going to get my teeth clean and I'm going to pick up some packages, PR packages, and that's basically it. I don't have any big plans for the day. I'm literally just going on the road to get 2 things done. I'm taking you guys with me. So my appointment is at 11. It is currently, I don't know what time it is, bro. My appointment is at 11. It's currently 9:22 and I'm going with my parents. So we're gonna leave shortly. They're just making my brother some breakfast and I'm not going to be late. I'm gonna take a taxi from Ochi to Draxal. Yeah, so that's what's gonna happen today. Do I have anything else to say to you guys? No, I don't think so. Oh, I'm currently awaiting my grades from last semester. I'm not looking forward to seeing them. I'm just hoping that I passed everything. But I was doing so well last semester up until finals week. Something personal happened during that week and it really took a toll on me. Like, I passed all of my mid-semesters. I did so well on my mid-semesters, and yeah, something happened during my study break and it kind of screwed with me. But fingers crossed that I passed everything, and fingers crossed. I'm really hoping that I do. But yeah, okay, bye. Hey guys, so my dad is taking me, not taking a taxi. It's now 10:23 and we're at the gas station. Hopefully I can get there on time. But there's a lot of traffic on the road. He asked my dad if I could drive from Sonora to the gas station, so I'm gonna drive. Made it on time. It's now 10:47. Hello. Good morning. I'm here for my 11 o'clock appointment. Yeah. Okay, thank you. Happy. I'm so happy I'm getting my teeth cleaned. Hygiene is important, chat.
Hello, welcome to Canva Pro.
I love that. Hi. I love how everybody's so happy. Morning. Yes, that's me. Right here. Use up the insurance card that you give me because the $50,000 did not go in vain. It's not going in vain. I'm using that insurance. That $50,000, that miscellaneous fee. Now yes, yeah, use it up. Yeah. They have the TV in the ceiling. Guess what? No cavities. Don't have any cavities. My hair is a mess. Oh my gosh. I'm so happy I got my teeth clean. I don't understand. It's been a minute. I haven't cleaned my teeth in like probably 2 or 3 years. Since, yeah, 2 or 3 years. And I don't have any cavities. And he was like, wow, you don't have any cavities. That's pretty impressive. And I'm just like, thank you. But my hair is a mess. I put out some lip gloss. The disalignment of my teeth, and I'm gonna have to take out my wisdom teeth. So Yeah, well, guess what? We kind of broke. But when we have money, there will be signs. But yeah, no cavities, just the disalignment and my wisdom teeth. That's all. Let's go pay and leave. All done. I need to call my dad to find out where he's at. Kind of hungry, so yeah, I go walk. I'm going to Starbucks. I know people can't say they're not a cavity, you know. I don't have any cavities. Okay, so my dad says that he's over by the new plaza at Jaxos, and I'm meeting him over there because I've never been over there before and I want fast. Yeah. Lad, me just here told me here, Steve. I can't wait to take this out. I hate it. I hate it so much. Which one of the stores is it in? The Home and Decor? Guys, I don't think I want to grow up. Why one tile? So expensive. Bitch. But here, I'm impressed by saying maybe staying a child is not that bad. Maybe not growing up is not that bad, because what you mean? So, I'm going to get food because I haven't eaten all day. My hair is pissing me off. It's pissing me off. It's windy. But anyways. I saw a lot of men coming here, guys. They change up in here. Badass ideas. One thing about Fontana, they might go overpriced. They might go overpriced because this is $3,000. This, I have this at home. I bought it in Walmart last year when I went to work and travel. $3,250. This $4,065. That's damn near $8,000. Let me push that in the calculator real quick. $50 for your shampoo and conditioner, bro. What I paid for it in Walmart last year, I don't think it cost me $30. Ooh. This one is the coconut water. It smells like coconut. I have this at home. Dentist from where I come from, they sell these, and this exact one they have it priced at $2,800 at the dental office that I'm just coming from. Fontana has this price for $4,080. And I can get 2 of those bottles on Amazon for $15. Sick. Crazy. Insane. I've always wanted to try this, to see what all the girls are hyping about. Dr. Teal. I want to try something from Dr. Teal. What is? Foot scrub. Facial toner. No, not getting a facial toner. I've always wanted to try some body wash or something. Hey, Chloe. Shea Moisture has deodorant? Since when does Shea Moisture have deodorant? Let me come out and people in place. Hey, I'm driving all over the place. Love that for me. Anyways, I need to go pick up some packages, my shipping company, so that's what I'm gonna do right now. Okay, we're gonna unbox them in the car. I hope this is what I think it is. I open this because this look. Oh, I know what this is. This is from Influencer, but let me just confirm. Yeah, it's the NYX. Is this even my shade? This is from NYX. This is from Influencer. This is also from Picky. Yeah, perfect as well. The deadline passed, but I'm still gonna upload my stuff because I don't want to have a bad reputation on the app. What is this? Oh, this is the toner pads. My lips are very dry. So happy. Like this, I was supposed to put on lip gloss before I did the unboxing, but I got really excited. But yeah, post on the content, guys. Post on the content. And don't bad mind people for them things. You just have to be patient with it. So yeah, thank you guys so very much for watching. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll definitely see you, my lovelies, in the next one. Bye.